remember that smell.
I think you're golden. Like, you'd be able to like see it and feel it.
Yeah, I don't feel anything. Feels good.
Alright guys, we have the new ART pipes on, and we are going for our first drive. Was nicely off the walls. I need to get some outside clips now. Sheesh. Oh, that sounds good. us. Might not be much else to film. Alright guys, my final thoughts on adding Motordyne ART Pipes instead of my AAM high flow cats. We got increased volume, increased rasp, like just slightly, which I think sounds good. I like a slight bit of rasp because if it's too smooth, it'll sound like a trumpet or a trombone. We also have an increase of smell, obviously. That's a known side effect that comes with your test pipes since you're removing your catalytic converters. But I'm still young. That doesn't bother me too much. I had that on my white G37 and it didn't really bother me that much. But yeah, my goal with this exhaust was to increase the volume just a little bit. I have neighbors still, so I don't want to be too obnoxious. And I wanted to keep my unique, deeper sound because I really liked the current setup that the car had. I just wanted to amplify that a little bit. There's a C8 right here. It's pretty nice. Give him a little rev. Some pops right there. He's got an Instagram. Wow. But yeah, that's all I have for this video. Hope y'all enjoyed, and I hope y'all stick around.
What you mean is a test. I pour lean on my chest. I don't need any rest. Chrome hard jeans on my flex. And I don't be